Dear students, Department of Mechanical Engineering, floating open elective subject Industrial Management and Operation Research for class BTech semester 7. Introduction to this course. It is a combination of industrial management and operation research. Here, 2 chapters of industrial management and 4 chapters of operation research in this course. So, industrial management has been playing a key role with increased complexity of business concern, and operation research is an application of scientific method to the problem arising from operations involving integrated system of main, machine and material involving the operation of system. It offers optimum operating solution to different interdisciplinary research teams. So importance as a multidisciplinary. Industrial management involve function of management such as financial planning, standards costing of budget product, budgetary control. Operation research, that is OR, improves the quality of decision making. OR models are used as perform large number of computations. So course objective. This course aims at to introduce the basics of management in organization, to introduce the basics of entrepreneurship development, SSI, that is small scale industry, and safety practices followed at workplace, to develop OR models and demonstrate their applications. Here, developing the OR models means formulating the problem like transportation problem, assignment problem, replacement problem. So, formulating the problems. So, to solve various types of industrial problem and discrepancy related with the operation management. These are the course objectives. Now, the course outcome. At the end of this course, student will be able to explain the principles of management in operation, describe structure of small scale industry and entrepreneurship development program, explain the basics of EDP, SSI and safety guidelines, formulate linear programming problem, that is called LPP, for various OR models, solve various types of problem related with the operational management, solve simple project management and replacement analysis problems. So main content of this course. So here in this course there are 6 units. First 2 units of industrial management and 3 to 6, that are 4 units for operation research, which consist of assignment model, transportation, decision theory, replacement and sequencing, and project management, that is CPM and PERT. So for GATE examination, 4 mark question asked for all department on the operation research module. So who can apply? So electronics, electrical, ENTC, computer science and engineering, aeronautical, automobile, all department can apply the OR model for solving the problem of industry. If you are the manager of an industry, you have to solve the different problem. So which task is assigned to the which person or which worker, that problem, or transportation of your product, these types of problems are can be solved by the operation research model, as well as the sequencing problems like which product first assemble, which product then assembling. These types of problem can be solved by the operation research model. Okay, so major applications of industrial management are pre-production planning, production planning and control, total quality management, and to improve the process and services. So applications of OR, so it is used in defense of operations, that is air force, army, navy. So application of modern welfare techniques, required expertise knowledge, aims to derive maximum gain from the operations. So it is also used in a transportation, like by using the queuing theory and linear programming model or LPP. It is of great use in transportation activity. Linear programming problems can be used to formulate suitable transportation policy, reducing cost and transshipment. So characteristics of operation research. Operation research technique is multidisciplinary. It is used to solve complex management problem. It is a set of mathematical technique. It is a scientific approach in decision making, and it is a team activity. So scope of operation research, it is used in everyday life problems, impact of economic management, engineering and other field. It is used by railway, Indian airline, defense organization and all other defense organization, and like Tata, Mahindra, every big organization is using the operation research problem. Okay, thank you.